Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Idris Tech. Hope you all will be fine. Okay guys, today I wanted to show you how to edit pictures or videos on Alight motion. Black video edit, black picture edit on Alight motion. How we can do this? The tutorial of Alight motion. Okay guys, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Okay guys, let's begin. Okay, I'm opening my Alight motion apps. This is Alight motion. Click on this. Now you can do this edit without internet connection. Okay, first click on the plus option, this plus option. Click on this. Click on this. There's another menu. There you have a lot of screen size. For mobile, better screen size is 9.16. This size. This is better for mobile because we have cropped the video in the edit. Select this, edits this size of videos 9.16 and this project, and this one be black. Okay, click this three option and then create a project, and then click this option, create project, create this one. Okay guys, the new menu will open. The new menu is open. Now click on plus option again to take a picture or media files. Click on this, then click on the media, this option. There's a media option. Click on media. Now you can select your pictures or videos or another things. I select my one videos. Okay, I select this one. Okay, I select this video. Okay guys, now click on plus option again, this option. Now click to this square. You see this square, click on this square. There's a wallpaper available. Fit this wallpaper on full screen. Okay, fit it on full screen. Now I'm fit here and again here. Okay, then click on blending in opacity, this option. Blending in opacity, click on this option now. Okay, I'm click on. Okay, there's more option. There's an option by name of difference, this option. Click on difference. Okay, I mark it again. Click on difference option, this option, this difference. Click on difference. There's another more option. Click on subtract, this option. Subtract. Click on subtract. I mark it again, this option. This will be taken. Now back from the video, back from this edit. Now there's another option by the name of effect, this effect. Click on effect. Then click on add effect, this option, add effect. Click on add effect. Click on add effect. There's three more options there. Exposure gamma, copy background, and guessing blur. First click on copy background. Tap on copy background. The background will be copied. Okay, now back option, back. Then click on again effect, this effect. Again add effect, this option. Add effect. Again come to the first one option was copy background. The second one is guessing blur. Click on this option. There, click on blur. Click on this option. Adjust it. Okay, more. Okay, it's good. Now click on effect again, effect again, edit effect option, add effect. Now click on exposure gamma, exposure gamma. Click on exposure gamma. Okay, I'm click on this. There, click on exposure gamma option. This option, click, tap on this. Now adjust this 3 option by your choice, how you want. Okay, I am clicking on. Okay, that should be good. Now showing more darkest. Should be. No, that's good. Okay, now click on back option. This back option, back option, more back. Click on, click the blank plus here, blank plus. Now click again the plus option. Click again it and click square again for soft the video. Okay, click on square again, adjust it, then click on blending and opacity again, this option, and come to contrast option, contrast. Before we go to difference option, now we go to contrast option, this option, contrast. Click on contrast and click the soft overlay, soft overlay. This will be good than another options. Soft overlay is good. Click on soft overlay and get this to 60. Okay, the video is effect. Get this, click on effect, come to end and click this option to fill all videos. Okay, the effect come here, and another effect also come to this here and select this option. The video is make it. The video is make it. Okay, just the volume off video. Okay, the video is effect. Okay, I then click this option to export the video. Click this option, click on it. Now the video is click on video. If the edit picture save the PNG or IMG image sequence which you want. Okay, now click on export. Click on export and now share this option, share with a watermark. Okay, share with a watermark. If you have an internet connection, click on this without a watermark. If you don't have an internet connection, share with a watermark, this option. Click on this, click on this option and share. Okay, the video will be exporting. You can see it's take 1 minute. Okay, and then click the save option. Click on save option. The video is saved to gallery. Okay, now we came to gallery. Okay, where's my gallery? And that's my gallery. Okay, gallery is there and there's my video. You can see it. This is my video. I play it. This is a video. You can see it. Now if you want to remove this watermark, okay, this watermark you want to remove, come to CapCut option. It's not mine, you have another editing app. I have a CapCut. Now we came to CapCut option, CapCut app, and then new project, select the video, add. Video was selected. Okay, we remove the end, delete. Okay, click on video, now come to this option, edit. Okay, click on edit, the crop, click on crop, and remove the sides. Okay, you can see it now. Zoom the video. Okay, and export the video. Done. The video is exported without a watermark. You can see here video without a watermark. Okay guys, that was the tutorial of how to make the video with black edit with Alight Motion app. Hope the video was useful for you. Please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon and share the videos, and invite your friend to subscribe our channel. Okay guys, have a good time. See you in the next video. Bye.